started at summer float camp. You'd never guess, but when I was little, I was very shy. And a very weak flyer.
The young Filian I always wanted to go to a summer sun celebration where Princess Celestia raises the sun. And I saw the most amazing, most wonderful thing I've ever seen.
Fluttershy! They'll ground you permanently!
I didn't want to fall out with Mario that far better than you.
It was the most humiliating moment of my life. Then, out of nowhere.
So I said I'm gonna fix it. What are you gonna do, Rainbow Crash?
You make fun of her and find out!
Hey, you think you're such a big shot? But I knew it!
I was meant to be in main.
I poured myself into learning everything I could about magic.
You're going down.
In history, man, I haven't seen you on that. Thank y'all so much for letting me die.
She just is. Don't worry, we'll have you acting like a
My parents decided to enroll me in Princess Celestia's school for gifted unicorns. It was a dream come true. Except for
Until you found his good old friend.
during the race at birth, where I stood alone against all odds. To the men
I never
Your questions are very
Well, I think quite as well as you quite. You said I've never been in a revolution.
What?
I say,
I spent days filled with so many wonders. Casting its spell without own bounds. With worlds I met, that makes you butterflies. Birds, birds, one piece will fly. I'm free to follow where my wings take me.
The wind in my mane!
I love fashion. We don't lost. And I'll be some There's nothing to
we better harvest the rocks from the South Pole.
Sunday. I have the community pajamas on a different level. Dad, please come in here, quick!
Twilight Sparkle,
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't...
you have a very special gift. I don't think I've ever come across a unicorn or raw abilities.
Huh?
But you need to learn to tame these abilities through focused study. Twilight Sparkle, I'd like to make you my own personal protege here at the school. Well? One other thing, Twilight.
My cutie little light! Yes, 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 Okay, we're happy for you. And that's how Equestria name. Let's get out of here while we still can, huh? Look, we're here! Maybe on the way home I can tell you the story of how I got my cutie mark. It's a gem. Oh, come on.
You okay?
He's just being Pinkie Pie. Yes.